Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that, you guys. I have these new earbuds that they will not shut off if I take them off and leave them laying around the house. So I was saying we have a lake effect storm going on. It started last night, probably about midnight, and Carlos and I were up and heard it start sleeting. We were like, oh, that sounds like sleet. And there is a thin layer of ice underneath all this. This is my neighbor's pool, but we have one inside our fence area that looks the same. So we woke up this morning to 8 inches. Oh my gosh, it is starting again. When I came outside, it wasn't snowing. 8 inches overnight. Carlos called a plow. One of our friends down the street has a plow, did our driveway. We went out to get some wood, and you can't, even if you see our driveway, can't see our car tracks any. My footprints right there coming out the front of our house. So they plowed our driveway, so you can tell that it was plowed because of the snowbanks I was showing you. But our driveway is filled up again from the snow that we got during the day today. It stopped for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, and now it's just coming down almost like rain again. Real hard, wet snow. And it's supposed to keep doing this till next Friday, I think. So this is going to be interesting. We put out our recyclables, and I'm like, on our street. Live on a side street, and no plow has come down here yet. And when we went out earlier, you just go fast and drive through it. So if you live somewhere where you don't get snow, yeah, you would think you would go slow, but it's a balance. You gotta go slow when you have to stop, but not ever come to a complete stop because you'll get stuck. I'm putting my gloves on because my hands are frozen now. But I thought I would walk. These trees look pretty. It's pretty. You just can't drive in it. I don't think I have to worry about a car coming down the road for a while. It is good wet packing snow. We could make some snowmen, which when my kids were little, we would come out and do that. I grew up in this weather. Carlos and I both did. So when you're kids, you're like, yeah, let's go out and play. I'm getting pelted. They're like, you can see, let me see if I can show the snow hitting. It's like these little ice balls right now. See it? I don't know. It's not hail. The weather people have names for every single kind of snow there is. I'm sure it's got a name. Of course I would do this when I decide to come outside because I'm getting pelted. So like I was saying, this is supposed to snow on and off every day till like next Friday. So I guess the reason is because the lake temperature, we're on Lake Erie, and it's record-breaking warm. So when a cold front comes in, like this is doing, please don't tell me there's a car coming. Okay, no. When a cold front comes down across the lake, it soaks up all the water because the water's warm, and then it dumps on us. And we're right along the lake coast, That's why we're called the Snow Belt. About 40 minutes from us is Erie, Pennsylvania, and they are getting pounded right now too. Hi, Christy. It is beautiful, but I was just showing a few minutes ago that it's snowing right now. These little, they're like these ice balls, so they're hurting my face. But the trees are beautiful. I'm hoping we don't lose power, because when it's wet, thick snow like that, see, it'll get on the power lines. And that can cause issues. Lose power. I hope not. Going for a walk down my street. It looks like this road goes around a bend, like we live like on a horseshoe road, and just looks like it dead ends right there. Because that's where the snowplow owner lives, so I'm gonna walk to that and then turn around. But oh, those trees are beautiful right there. Oh wow, you're 30 minutes south of Erie. Okay. So we're about probably 40 minutes west of Erie. Straight west down 90. Yeah, ooh, they got it nice and down to the pavement down here. I'll show you guys what I look like. I'm sure my face is bright red. How bundled up I had to get. I got my gloves, boots, scarf. It does feel good to get out here though. Getting my steps in. I am warm, except my face. It's coming down so fast and hard. Stop for a second. My neighbors are probably like, what is she doing? It's really slushy at this end, which means the temperature went up. Oh, that's why. Whoa, I almost fell again. Whoops. Losing battery. When it snows like this with these little ice balls, it's because the air temperature must be warmer down here, but when it's falling from the clouds, it's frozen. Something like that. Yeah, I saw that Storm Chasers live too. And yeah, it looked like a hot mess. And I've been checking our local Facebook pages here in our town, and there's been wrecks and 3-car pileups, and that's just on the main roads in town. So I don't know, I just thought it would be fun, interesting to come on live, because I have friends on here on YouTube from all parts of the country, all parts of the world. Not everybody gets weather like this. And you know, one day it's just mid-40s, and I think that's what it was Thanksgiving Day, and then you just wake up the next day and it's like this. You're welcome. Thanks for hopping on. I think it's starting to let up a little. I don't know. Just hope it doesn't rain. Oh my goodness, if it put down a coating of rain on top of this, ooh, and then it freezes overnight, that won't be good. Here comes me versus a truck. So I'm gonna have to go in this probably knee-deep snowbank over here. Here's a patch of woods. Oh, look how pretty this is. This is my neighbor's. that. I was gonna come out too and get some branches to decorate with. It's pretty. It's days like this I wish I had a snowmobile. It'd be fun. We just stop in the middle of the road because there's nowhere else to go. I'm gonna try to get around him before he leaves. Anybody else out there getting snow? Oh no, my tree on the corner there. That is not good. All the branches. We got that planted about, I don't know, not this past summer, 2 summers ago. So it's still a very thin trunk. I hope it will survive this. That one, let me see if I can. That one's doing a little better, like that. But this one, oh no, that looks like a bush. It's not supposed to look like that. Yeah, well. Can you see how it's coming down? Yeehaw. There's some fresh plowing right there. I might have to do this every day, walking outside in the snow. I like it. If this cuts off, all of a sudden my battery's gonna die. Any questions out there about the Winter Wonderland? My poor neighbor's shoveling. Oh my goodness. Backbreaking. It's backbreaking, especially when it's wet, heavy snow. It's wet and heavy, isn't it? Yeah, not fun. I'm good. I'm recording all this because it's crazy. How are you? Huh? Oh yeah, I will. Love our neighbors. Oh, and then, so then you'll be the neighbor out shoveling, and then down here, you get really jealous of the neighbor with, where's he at? With the snowblower. There he is. We actually bought a electric snowblower because when we do it, we just want to do, you know, a strip of our driveway. Oh, there's a car behind me. And not have to worry about filling it up with fuel. And the cord's long enough for us, but actually, after we bought it, I think we had no snow that year. This tree's pretty. There we go. There's a good view. Like you can see how much snow's on this deck back there. So you can shovel your driveway, you can have a snowblower, you can call somebody. People make a killing with plowing driveways on days like this. I just can't believe our road. We used to be the last road to get plowed, I think. I gotta make sure there's no car behind me. Nope. till our city manager moved onto our street. And then I think that upped us a little bit on the list. There's a little outside Christmas tree. I call those trees the Blair Witch trees. You can't tell now because their branches are all matted down. Oh, another shoveler. I feel bad. It's good exercise, but back breaking. I'm like walking up and down the ruts of this road. Hi. All right, I'm gonna turn around. If my battery lasts, I will end it when I get back. Hey, Jason, did you make it back? A lot of people in my town work in like the Cleveland area. And so when you have to take the freeway, when the weather gets like this, it will be horrible conditions. But all you have to do is like drive like 20 minutes south and like drive around it. So a lot of people were making plans for driving like that today. Hey, Jess. I'm probably huffing and puffing. This is good exercise. My face is going to be soaking wet. This was fun. I haven't gone live like this before. Can't wait to do it when it's like a 80-degree day outside. I'll take you guys for a walk down to our beach that's on Lake Erie. I walk down there during the summertime. Oh, there's a car behind me. Drop that plow, that's what I always say. You're driving down the street with a plow on the front of your truck. Drop that thing. I'm gonna start a hashtag. Hashtag drop that plow. Woo, it's coming down harder. I think it's gonna turn to rain. Oh no. Feels like rain, but it's still those little snowballs. Oh, can you hear it hitting my coat? Crazy. Yeah, so you can see, because we have it has melted. We have this dip along our drive. So that is a slushy mess. Me too, Thomas. Me too. I'll take the beach all day. This is crazy. It is almost up to my knees. If I just walk in my front yard. So you can kind of see how it's coming down. It is not letting up. The news people said that it was supposed to stop at 10 a.m. this morning, and the storm would pull back out on the lake and then come back in later, but it really hasn't let up too much. all day. Those are the trees back there. I wanted to go scour on the ground level because they're pine trees and snag some of them for decoration outside. But I don't think I'm doing that right now. Hi, Kip Kitty. I don't know if you guys have been on long, but I'll show you how bundled up I am. I'm covered in those little ice balls. Look at my scarf. It's crazy. Crazy. But I'm gonna get inside and warm up before I get like frostbite on my cheeks or something. Carlos and I might be recording later also, so be looking for some new videos for us. I know we haven't posted in a while. It's always, for teaching, I feel like our workload gets heavy. We just try to get to those breaks, right? So now I'm on a break, so I'm going to try to record some episodes and get them uploaded. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Stay warm. If you are in a warm place, go enjoy it for me. Get some sunshine for me because you cannot see the sun today. It's 2:36 here and the sky is cloudy and gray. But it's a winter wonderland. All right, everybody. I will see you later. Thanks for joining me. Bye.